Welcome to ESL Quiz College. Have you ever taken an Uber or a taxi? It's very important to know your address so that you can tell the driver so that he can bring you home. It's also important to know your address so that you can put it on government forms. When you want to know someone's address, you will say, "What is your address?" My address is 22 Lakeshore Boulevard. What's your address? Good job. It's listening time. Write the answers in the comment section below. Number 1. My address is 15 Brown Street. My address is 15 Brown Street. Number 2. My address is 25 Main Street. My address is 25 Main Street. Number 3. My address is 33 Apple Drive. My address is 33 Apple Drive. Number 4. My address is 14 Cherry Lane. My address is 14 Cherry Lane. Number 5. My address is 55 Red Lane. My address is 55 Red Lane. Number 6. My address is 16 Peach Avenue. My address is 16 Peach Avenue. Good job! Put your answers in the comments below. I promise to check them. Good luck! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and supporting us here at ESL Quiz College.